We are already living in the future. Check this out. So I've stumbled upon this table which I wanted to insert into my database, but it's kind of an annoying table with multi rows and so on. So like OCR sucks and you have to fiddle around with Excel and clean up, yada, 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 really annoying. So I thought I'd try something different. So what I've done is I just took a snapshot and then went into my little chat window here, pasted the image in, and then we can give it a command. We will say extract the data from the image, create a table in my database, and then insert the data into the DB. And now we just send it off and wait. And voila, we can already see some SQL commands. But now let's have a look at our database. So this is now in dbeaver. You can use pgadmin or anything else. So I have a Postgres database. And now let's press refresh. And voila, there's our table. So let's have a look at the data. Oh, chef's kiss. Look at that. Even the multi-row thing, it got correct. Like it copied the value correctly. Isn't this insane? Like we are living in the future. It's right now happening. This is just incredible. Like just imagine you have an agent which goes through thousands of papers and searches the data you need and then inserts it into a database. And the agent decides which tables to create, whether it should add the data to an existing table or create a new one. Because like, as I said, like I didn't create the table. The table wasn't there before. So it decided on the columns. Obviously, these columns were trivial, but it's an agentic system. So it can intelligently decide which columns and schemas and whatnot to create. So yeah, I found that quite fascinating. Anyways, if you like this, if you want to see more use cases or in-depth tutorials, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, have a great day and bye-bye.